Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I just wanted to do an unboxing video and my initial impressions on a Timex Weekender Peanuts Edition watch. So this is exactly how the watch came. So let me sort of open this for you guys. Okay, let's put this to the side. All right, and here it is. So this is actually the Weekender. It's a 38 millimeter version. Wasn't really expecting anything crazy with the box, but yeah, it's just a cardboard box. So this is the Timex Take Care with Peanuts Edition. The theme is sort of recycling and taking care of the planet and that kind of stuff. So it sort of comes in a recyclable packaging, which is neat. Okay, let me get this open. So, story with this watch actually, I saw this on their website, just like randomly, and I tried to purchase it, and it was like sold out. So I actually ended up getting a Marlin, which I'm wearing, which is also from the same Take Care with Peanuts edition one, and then found this online at a different seller. But here's the watch. So it's just a quartz movement, white dial, black numerics, black hands for the hour marker and minute marker, and then the second hand is I guess it's a shiny silver. I doubt it's really metal, but okay, let me just take that out. But here we go. So this is actually the Indiglo version. So like I said, it's 38 mil. In my opinion, 38 millimeters is just a wonderful size, because sometimes, I mean, I have smaller wrists, about 6 inches or so, maybe a little bit less, depending on the day. But like on my wrist, I feel like a 38 is like the perfect size. I'm a big fan of like the 36 mil, Datejust, and it, just in my opinion, for me, like 41 millimeters is usually the max that I can wear with the size of my wrist. But this is actually really neat. But in general, 38. I hope you can see that on camera, but it just like fits really nicely. It's not too thick. Yeah, it's just really nice actually. Really not much to say. This is the Indiglo version, so just there you have, it's just a neat feature to have. Ever since I was a kid, I just thought it was, the first time I saw Indiglo, I just like lost it. I thought it was so cool. But yeah, and then you have I think it's not like painted on, it's just probably just printed on there, the Snoopy, and he's holding the globe or hugging the globe, which is like really nice. Strap, this is just a black sort of canvas. Probably not the best material, but I think it'll do. Let's try it on actually. If I could do it on camera, of course, it's gonna be harder than it would be normally. Okay. Yes, there you go. So there's the watch. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I was like really excited about this watch. For some reason, I just the Snoopy hugging the planet. It's just, I don't know. It's something. It's just really cool. I don't know. It brings out the kid in you. It's like, it's very like, like carefree. This watch is relatively cheap. It's about $65, so like 70-ish with taxes, depending on what state you're in. But I'm also gonna compare it just to the Marlin over here. So had this been in stock when I was like searching online, I probably wouldn't have bought this, because this is the Marlin Automatic, and this has Miyota movement, and see-through case back and everything like that. But this is also 40 mil, but it's also $269, $79 on their website. So quite a bit more than just a, just the Weekender. And as you can see, the Snoopy is the same, which is, sort of why I wanted this. And then since they didn't have this one in stock, I sort of spent 4 times the money and got that one instead, and then found this again. So now I have both. So yeah. But so the Marlin is 40 mil, and this is the Weekender's 38. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference. But yeah, I think this is just a great watch, just for everyday use. It's just a playful little watch. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say about the watch. It's a quartz movement. I think it's about 30 feet water resistant, if I'm not mistaken. Might be 50, but this isn't like a screw-in crown or anything like that. So I would probably, I wouldn't risk really going like swimming or anything like that with this watch. But yep, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you guys the Take Care with Peanuts edition Snoopy Timex watch, the Weekender. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and I will try to have more content coming your way soon. Thanks. See you in the next one.